friends, welcome to Motivational Minute, here on the Writer's Atelier channel, where I, Paige, have to tell you something shocking. We can't write the book because books don't exist. April Fools! Hey everybody, I almost had you there, didn't I? You were like, books aren't real? What is this? I don't understand. The thing is, books are real and people write them, and you can be one of those people. You are more than capable of telling the story that's inside you. Keep working hard, keep writing, reading, support your local writing community, and I will see you next time. Cheers, everybody. Also, good luck with Camp NaNoWriMo if you're participating this month. I am not participating, but I am cheering you guys all on, and I hope that you have an excellent time. Bye, everybody. See you next week. Silly idea for a video. I hope that worked out, but I just don't know.